single dose immunization with the COVID-19 vaccine may be sufficient for protecting patients who have recovered from a mild infection of coronavirus. The immunological memory that they develop keeps its imprint for a few years, a study conducted on Indian patients has said. The study comes at a time when India is looking at vaccinating all eligible people above 18 years old by the end of the year 2021. The vaccine is considered the most effective preventive measure to protect from the COVID-19 pandemic that has become a major threat to public health globally. However, how long the vaccine will provide protective cover, whether the vaccine will protect against all recently circulating and future variants of the virus, and what should be the vaccination schedule are all questions that still need answers. A study by Dr. Nimesh Gupta's group at the National Institute of Immunology reveals that Indian patients who recovered from mild COVID-19 disease have durable immunological memory in most important arms of protective immunity, the T cells and the B cells. The term believes that immunological memory, which can last for a few years, is predominantly associated with the spike protein of the virus. These responses are mainly targeted towards the spike protein, and it also gives hope to the current vaccines. The research says that if vaccines can induce immune response like seen in mild patients, then we will have an effective and long-lasting cellular immunity against SARS-CoV-2. The study also indicated that almost 70% of the examined Indian cohort had very high levels of CoV-2 reactive type of white blood cells that are an essential part of the human system. These were present prior to the COVID-19 pandemic. These already present CD4 plus T cells strongly respond to the COVID-19 virus. It was found that these pre-existing cross-effective cells will not completely abort the virus infection, but they can definitely limit the virus burden and reduce the course of symptomatic infection. These findings may also prove crucial in understanding how the Indian population is responding to the COVID-19 virus.